fishing over the boat.
Nice.
He wasn't getting off in there.
Nice.
I just don't want to lose another worm. Yeah, they're all about the same size, I imagine.
Down.
Here, Bobby.
What's up, man? Where we at? Wednesday afternoon? Thursday afternoon?
Well,
Let's go. Dang. Way to pickerel king.
Got him in the boat.
lift it up.
Lift him out. Lift him in the boat. Alright, he wants to go. Got him now. There's one for me. Yeah, little baby. Little guy.
Uh-oh.
There you go.
Yep.
Now it's done, right?
2-1, right?
Yeah.
Catch it on. Oh, that's not too bad. Pounder.
Yeah. What's that? First one. Perch. Nice.
You got something perch out here.
Damn, I'm cranky. Huh. Throw it out there, you might catch more.
What that guy?
Huh?
Alright, man. First fish is bass 2020. Got him on this zoo.
Oh yeah, look at that. Is that number 3? Let it get off.
God. I cast it right back in the same spot. And look, I got another one. Jeez,
Hey,
look at me. 2 on 2 casts. So where are we heading today, Bobby?
Alloway Lake. Alloway, New Jersey.
I've never fished Alloway Lake.
Well, you might not be fishing, you might just be casting.
Oh, here we go. Well, you know, I had a lot of my customers live on Alloway Lake. They used to come into my hunting and fishing store that I used to own, and they would come in and buy shiners, all their tackle and so forth. Not one of my customers invited me out to go fish Alloway Lake when it was private. It used to be, excuse the bumping around there, but it used to be a private lake. And then the dam broke during some hurricane, massive floods, whatever. And then the homeowners association didn't want to pay to fix the dam. Man, this is really bouncing. Let's see if I can stabilize this here a little bit. Whoa, no, not that one. And so they didn't want to pay to fix the dam. So they told the state, hey, why don't you fix the dam? And then they fixed it. The state came in and said to the homeowners association, they said, well, we'll fix it, but if we fix it and we put our money, our taxpayers' money to fix it, then we're going to open it up to the public. Well, they didn't like that too much, and they kicked it around for a year or two and decided, you know what, we're paying for lakefront property. We ain't got no water because it's empty. So they went back to the state, and the state said, okay, public lake. So now that it's public, I guess I can go fishing. So, Bobby, I think you said you fished it once.
Yeah, I've been there.
I've never, I mean, there used to be some really good fish in there because it used to be private, but now, I don't know. I mean, they drained it, and hopefully it came back real well. And like I said, I've never been there, so I'm going to try it today. If Bobby says all I'm going to do is cast. But even just casting is better than sitting on the couch watching television. So
That's true.
we're off to Alloway Lake. Looks like there's a lot of people fishing this. A handful. Well, Bobby,
A little bit of rainwater in there.
what's that? Here we are.
Yep. Gonna break your rod.
Gonna break my rod
Yeah.
on a big fish.
I'm gonna break it before you get in.
Oh. That's not nice. I'm just
You better
gonna,
get in.
I'm just gonna let the boat go and let you fall. Alright, let me see here. You're already fishing.
Can't wait for you.
Oh my God. Alright, Bobby. You lying shit. Okay. What are we doing today? All fish or bass?
Bass.
Ooh, again. Alright, he hasn't learned his lesson yet. But I don't think it matters, really. But, okay, we're here at Alloway Lake. And we are, it's 5 o'clock. So, this is the first time I've ever fished it. People swimming. There are people swimming off the docks. And pretty nice lake so far. So we'll see. We got plenty of time before sunset. Bobby's controlling the boat, so he's going to run me in the bushes. Last time he did, I got poison ivy. So,
Stop casting into the trees.
Bobby, try not to put me in the trees. And sun's still high up there. Sun's up there where it belongs. Let's get fishing. I am using a Gary Yamamoto Senko 5.5 inch with a rattle. Here, with a rattle. Motor oil and red flake. That's what I'm starting out with. Bobby, what are you using?
I'm using Gary Yamamoto Senkos too. The brown indigo, small red flake.
Oh, that's what you were using last time.
Yeah,
All right.
You know how many fish I caught on that last time?
0. Yeah, but you lost 3.
I did.
Yeah, you had 3 hits. You got 3 hits. All right. Game on. Oh, wait. You already started fishing. Okay, so you got a head start. He always tries to get the upper hand.
White dot.
Oh. And just hit that?
Just hit that and I'll take a picture. catching my fish. You keep videoing. Sound good?
Sounds good. Anything that looks like that back in there, a little cove, I tend to always catch fish back, something like that. Gotta be something laying back up in there. What do you think, Bobby? I think we should go in there
We'll go in there.
because we ain't got a bite yet.
We don't have any, no pictures or video that it didn't happen.
All right? Then we're gonna come out here and fish all this structure. Huh? No?
Big one.
Oh, we didn't get anything in this little cove. Pretty shallow. I mean, it was less than a foot deep. Got nothing in that little cove. I thought for sure we'd get a bite. Nothing. Not a hit. Not a splash. Nothing. We're gonna work this now. Look at that.
First catch of the day.
I got it. It's in
Man,
the boat.
you almost broke that rod, didn't you?
Almost. Rod, come on, my hand and everything. That's just that hit. Woo. Bobby?
I'm here. Look at you. What's that thing?
Look at the bananas. That's it. Is this what we're supposed to be fishing for?
Yeah, something like that.
Jeez, you.
Oh, that little cute little thing.
Hey, I'll take it. Man, we covered some ground and this is the first damn bite we got.
Nice.
Jeez, you, man. Yeah.
Oh, look at that. Nice.
I cast it right back in the same spot. And look, I got another one. Oh. Jeez, dude,
Look at you.
look at me. 2 on 2 casts. Oh yeah.
All right.
Got him on that Senko. Motor oil, red flake, rattle, and some garlic in.
Nice.
Little bitty. Little bitty.
Good.
What are you playing with, Bobby? Your rod?
The big rod,
The big rod?
not the little rod.
Structure here. We we should be able to catch at least one fish off of each one of these trees. You would think. But I can't do it while I'm recording unless my line's in the water.
I can't do it. I haven't caught anything like that.
Well, you should be used to that. Bobby will catch something.
Oh man. What is that? Ah.
Oh, good Lord. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, there goes my worm and my rattle. Sucker. Ah.
Nice catch.
I think they're all this small in this lake.
3.
Jeez.
Russell 3. Brad 0.
Ah. My line was jumping. What you got, Bobby? It's pulling the boat. What do you got on there? Crankbait. Yeah, that wasn't coming out of the trees too fast, was it?
Not today.
What are you switching to, Bobby?
Top water.
Uh-oh.
Put top water on. A lot of fish jumping out here. Maybe we're gonna hit some top water now. I'll try something to catch up.
Right? What do I got?
I think you have 0 and I have 3.
Okay.
You have 3 and I have 0.
I have no idea. I lost count.
I think you have 3.
I can't remember how many fish I catch. Look at the action on that thing. Boy, that thing caught at least one thing.
Yeah, last week.
A fisherman.
Oh, look at here. Another stick?
Another stick.
Ah, that's a nice one.
Yeah, it's getting bigger now. Uh-oh.
Not in the boat yet.
Not in the boat. Al's over the boat.
Nice.
He wasn't getting off anyway.
Nice.
I just don't want to lose another worm. Yeah, they're all about the same size, I imagine.
Pound? A pound maybe?
Yeah, less than a pound.
Having fun.
Having fun.
What happened?
It came to the boat. I didn't have a hook set.
Huh.
I was hung up in that tree,
Yeah.
and as soon as it hit, he snatched it, and he ran to the boat, and I couldn't set the hook. And then when he come over here, he threw the hook.
I believe that story.
I know, it happens to you a lot.
I didn't even get the video up yet, and you already lost the fish.
I ripped him clean 30 feet, right out of the water into the air, and he shook my worm. Look, here's my worm, look,
I don't see anything.
look, look.
Yeah.
He just must have had that on the tail of that because it was a little fish. Ain't no way I had him hooked. That's 3 fish right in a row I just missed. Man, that could have been 7-0, Bobby.
Maybe your luck's turning.
You better get your
I better
You
stop
better
playing.
get your line in the water.
Better stop playing with that top water stuff.
I'm telling you. As I just caught this fish on a little TP swing, I seen him come up. Woo! And he snatched that right up.
I can't even catch a fish. I don't even think anybody. If somebody threw one in the boat, I wouldn't even catch it.
Yeah,
Probably jump out.
He would jump out. Poor Bobby. That little guy, he chased that little TP swing.
Nice.
That was awesome. Oh.
That's a little guy. Oh, look at that little guy.
Said I got him.
I thought he said nope.
Didn't think so.
Let me see.
Look at this. CP swing catches everything. I can't even put my finger in his mouth. That's crazy. Look at this. Oh, he got off. Oh, look at this.
Nice.
That's a bass, and it's in the boat.
Is that 5?
6.
6? Nice.
Oh, CP swing. I've caught everything on this CP swing. From trout, pickerel, crappie, bluegill, bass of all sizes. So, let him go. See what I'm saying? Now I got a bluegill on the CP swing.
Nice.
But it doesn't count for our content. Cool.
Still catching fish, huh? Still catching fish.
He missed that, look. He's underneath his chin. Well, Bobby,
I hope you didn't delete all that footage of all those fish I caught.
I forgot to pick up the camera. I was so excited that you were catching fish.
Skunked.
Wow. That smell. It stays with you.
Wasn't my day. They didn't want anything. I had one bite all day.
You threw almost everything in your box.
And the kitchen sink.
Yeesh.
Should have just put my keys on there. Maybe that would have caught something. Next time I'm just going to scroll on Facebook.
Next time you're going to stay home and watch a fishing show?
Yeah.
Because that's all you do is watch me catch fish.
I catch fish. Just not today.
Not today.
Alloway Lake. 2 thumbs down. What's your rating?
Well, they didn't have very big fish, but I'd give it a in the middle. I'm sure that any other given day that there's some decent fishing in here. There's still a whole nother side over that way.
Yeah.
Maybe next time we come down, we'll go to the other side.
Sounds good.
We'll see what's over there.
All right.
All right, let's get this boat up on the trailer and get on out of here.
All right, man.
Well, there's another night heading home from Alloway Lake in Alloway, New Jersey.
It's about 8:40. Russell made me get off the lake because it was dark. He would not let me catch up.
I lost count. I really don't know if it's what 6, 7 to what?
0.
Oh. Then I just started catching bluegills. So I don't know. I really don't know until we look at the footage. But I think it's like 6, maybe 7 bass. But if you want to count that little tiny one that I caught,
It's a bass.
but
Count.
it's a bass. It's a bass. So, did you have fun?
No.
he could have had better time sitting on the sofa playing video games with his son. Yeah, it's always a good time going fishing.
It is. Even when you don't catch anything.
That beats work. And imagine this, some people actually get paid to go fishing. Yeah, but I think maybe we'll look for a bigger boat.
Yeah, and then maybe you can let me sit in the front.
If I get a bigger boat, I will let you sit in the front. Wait. Yeah, okay, you can control the motor. That's fine. I'll sit in the back. All right, we're out of here. Dinner's waiting on us. Peace out.
See you.